President Donald Trump is facing a major decision on whether to escalate the ongoing conflict in Iran into a ground war. As the battle enters its second month, the president must decide if he will narrow his goals to reach a negotiated settlement or take aggressive steps like seizing Iranian oil facilities. Sending troops would require a long-term military presence, which brings enormous risks. Meanwhile, some senior officials are quietly scaling back their original goals. Discussions are underway to possibly host peace talks in Pakistan in the coming days, as the president faces mounting domestic pressure to resolve the conflict within his original 6-week timeline. The United States Supreme Court is preparing to hear a landmark case that could redefine what it means to be an American. On Wednesday, the 9 justices will listen to arguments on whether to allow the Trump administration to end birthright citizenship for the children of undocumented immigrants. This constitutional promise has shaped the nation for generations, including the family histories of the justices themselves. For example, the grandfather of Chief Justice John Roberts was born to immigrant parents before they became naturalized citizens. A ruling in favor of the administration would overturn more than a century of legal precedent and dramatically alter the country's future immigration policies. Lawyers for California Representative Eric Swalwell are demanding that Federal Bureau of Investigation Director Kash Patel stop the release of records from a decade-old investigation. The probe involved the Democratic congressman and a suspected Chinese operative, but it ended years ago with no criminal charges. In a formal cease and desist letter, the attorneys warned Patel that releasing the files would violate federal law and long-standing Justice Department policy. They argue the release is a transparent attempt to smear the congressman and undermine his campaign for governor of California. The legal team gave the director 3 days to comply or face legal action.